Alright, it's been over a year since I got the bike and long overdue, but we're finally changing this hideous stock exhaust today with the old Amazon special. Let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like. Radiant Cycles, if you guys want this thing. Oh yeah, super short. That'll look way better than that. Alright, let's get the tools out and get her off of there. Before we change it, we'll do a little start, that way we can hear what the stock one sounds like versus the new one. Go ahead, son. Alright, that's the stock exhaust. Alright, first step, I'm going to take a Phillips head and take that bolt off and a number 4 Allen key.
Which way?
For that one.
I lost my directions again.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You got, this is a ratchet screwdriver, so you got to make sure it's on. Yeah, it'll only take it off.
That way, right?
It'll only go that way. It'll only take it off. You got to keep it in there. Alright, after you got the heat shield loose and out of the way, you can break this bolt loose. And then this one up here on the rear foot peg, oh, of course it's a different size, or a 12 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter.
Always a different size.
Oh, now it comes off. I was doing it wrong. You gotta slide it that way after you break the bolt loose. Alright, so after you get that loose, this comes off and slides down. And it comes off that little tab right there. And get rid of the heat shield.
Won't be needing that anymore. Look at that thing. That giant thing right there. Bolt is removed.
Oh my gosh. That's a couple pounds. Taken off of there.
just tighten the hose clamp back up.
Deep one? Yeah.
Do you need an extension or a deep socket?
A deep socket.
No, I probably don't.
Or just hand me that 10mm wrench then. Please. Let me finish it that way. You can stop recording for a while. Alright, got it all bolted on there. Looks way better than that big bulky piece of junk. After you get done with that, make sure you put up all your mom's tools. Don't leave them out on the ground. Alright, this one isn't chrome or titanium, but if you don't wear gloves while changing the exhaust, make sure to wipe all your fingerprints off, because those will burn on there and look like absolute shit. Alright, let's see what it sounds like now. That's a big difference.
I hear you coming now.
What do you think?
Sounds great.
You like it?
Yeah, better. Way better.
Heck yeah.